3 factors can help you make safe choices when you're in an area of widespread COVID-19 transmission. Consider the location, the proximity to others, and the amount of time you spend there. Where does your activity take place? Open-air spaces are always safer than enclosed spaces, particularly if they're small or without fresh air. Proximity to other people is also important. It's safest when there are fewer people around and you can keep more than 1 meter apart. How long does your activity last? The shorter, the better. Think about each of these factors and avoid situations where the risk dial is high. Small or poorly ventilated places and crowds of people for long periods of time. Stay safe. Lower the risk to yourself and others.
No matter where you live or who you are, each of us can help break the chains of COVID-19 transmission. Here's what you can do to protect yourself and others. Cover your cough and sneeze. Clean your hands frequently and thoroughly, especially before and after putting on a mask and going outside or coming home. Avoid crowded places and mass gatherings. Avoid touching surfaces in public as they might be contaminated by someone with the virus. Socialise at a distance. Stay at least 1 meter away from others as much as you can and wear a mask if you can't. If you feel even slightly unwell, stay home. Call your local health authorities and get tested. If you test positive, follow the recommendations from health authorities about how and where you should isolate from others and receive medical care if needed. Make a list of people you have recently been in contact with. Self-quarantine for 14 days if you have been in contact with anyone confirmed with COVID-19. Make sure you follow your local guidance. Each country or area has its own levels of transmission, resources and recommendations, and the situation can change rapidly. The COVID-19 pandemic has changed the way we live, work and connect with others. It is challenging, but together, we can break the chains of COVID-19 transmission.
During the COVID-19 pandemic, if you're going out, always ask yourself, how many, how far, how open? How many people will be nearby? COVID-19 spreads more easily in crowded places. Avoid crowds. If not possible, wear a mask. How far apart will people be? The closer people are to one another, the easier it is for COVID-19 to spread. Stay at least 1 meter away from others. If not possible, wear a mask. How open will the space be? The virus spreads more easily in confined and enclosed spaces with poor ventilation. Keep your distance, open windows and doors, and if not possible, wear a mask. Remember that it's always safer to keep your distance, clean your hands, cough or sneeze into your elbow, wear a mask, and open a window. Know your risk, lower your risk.